You have posts to publish, platforms to manage, and deadlines that never stop. But your tools are scattered, your workflow stretched, and you're always a step behind. This is exactly why Recurpost created the Content Calendar. It's a single visual dashboard where you can plan, schedule, and manage posts across every major platform. Instead of juggling tabs and timelines, you get a centralized view of everything you're working on. Imagine being able to see all your upcoming posts in one clear timeline. You know exactly what's going out, when, and where. If your plans change, you don't need to start over. Just drag the post to a new day, and the calendar updates it instantly. Before anything goes live, you can preview it exactly as your audience will see it, whether it's on Instagram, LinkedIn, or any other platform. No formatting surprises. No second guessing. If you're managing multiple brands, teams, or campaigns, you can set up custom workspaces to keep things organized. You can even switch between them in seconds without losing context. When collaboration is needed, just invite your team members or clients directly into the workspace. They can review, approve, and share feedback right where the content lives. No back and forth emails required. And if something needs to pause, one click and the post is on hold. It's still there, waiting for the right moment. Recurpost also helps you decide when to post without the guesswork. It uses past engagement data and time zones to suggest the best time slots for each platform. Prefer to run your experiments? You can schedule posts manually and test what works best for your audience. And because the calendar is directly connected to your analytics, you can see what's performing well and use that data to shape stronger campaigns moving forward. From independent creators to growing brands and fast-paced agencies, Recurpost's Content Calendar brings order to the chaos. You gain clarity, speed, and total control over your publishing process. Get started today with our 14-day free trial and let your content calendar finally work the way it should.